Welcome back to my channel. Okay, kukuha po kami ng foods. Guard na. Grab rider pa. Rider. Saan yung ating pipick upin na foods? Diyan muna kayo guys. Tayo magpipick up ng foods. Where na? Pagkain ng mga boss. Video while waiting on pick up the foods. Palinis ng ipon. Ayan sila. Mga bossing. Bye guys. Nandiyan ang aming inaantay. Thank you for watching.